Hey, what's going on, guys? This video we're going to talk about the do while loop, and this is the second part of the nested loops series. Now, the do while loop is slightly differently compared to the while loops. The do while loop makes sure the code, whatever code you're going to type, it will at least execute once and then check the condition either if it's true or false. While loop, it checks the condition first and then execute the code after. Let me demonstrate you some examples. I'll make a variable, I'll call it int a equals 0, and then do space curly brackets and while, alright, I'll just make it up to 10. Right, so here's the thing. Inside the do curly bracket here, this is where you actually write a code so it will execute the code at least once and then check the condition after. So let's make some examples. I'll just write system out of print line, and let's just write for this is a test. You know what? I'll just make 4 to make it easy, or 5. All right, and then you have to write a plus plus plus. All right. Okay, let's compile and see what's going on. Right, so you see what happened. The Java printed out the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So here's the thing: it checks the code first and then condition after. But you know, let's just try to demonstrate if I'm just going to remove all this thing here and try to check out if it's working for a while. If it will work exactly as it do. So let me just remove everything here. Oh, there we go. Curly brackets and system out the print line. This is a while loop. Whoa. There we go. And then a plus plus. All right. As you can see, it actually starts to execute 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's working perfectly. But let's say we want to test if I'm going to write 5 in here and compile and run it. Okay, nothing showing up right now, right? Because 5 cannot be less than 5, right? So that's why it doesn't work. So that is why it doesn't show anything up. Let's just try to reverse everything and try to do it for the do while instead. Let me just remove everything here. Do curly brackets. System out print line. This is a do while loop. All right. Oh yeah, of course, semicolon. Now you see, so that is the difference between the do while and the while loop. So let me recap everything up. Like I said at the beginning of the video, the do while loop is a slightly differently compared to while loop. The only thing about the do while is that it runs the code or executes the code first and then check the condition after. But on the while, what it does, it just run the condition first and then maybe checking the code after. Depends whatever the condition happens. So if it's true, it will keep running the loop and checking the code, whatever inside the curly bracket of the while, like something like this inside here. But if it's false, then it will exit the loop. So that's it. That's it for this video of the part 2 series of the nested loops. If you find this video very informative and helpful, please share and subscribe. And thank you for watching. And I will see you on the next video, which is the last part of the nested loops video series.